Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Gmail on any Android device. The navigation might be different from the type of Android you have, but the place where you see it is almost the same. So right here, this one will be similar to Samsung One UI. So the navigation might be different, but it's almost the same thing. So to remove your Gmail on your Android device, you go to settings, scroll down and look for accounts. Click on it. Now you're going to see all the Gmail that you have in your Android device. I'm going to remove the first one. Click on it. Click on remove account. It's going to ask you for a confirmation. So click on remove. Sometimes it may ask you for a password or your PIN or your fingerprint. So you have to put it to authenticate it. So that's how you remove your Gmail on your Android device. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.